All right, with the exhaust up high enough now and completed, I'm going to move on to the hatch where I'm going to make a fuel pump accessory door. I'm going to try my hand at that, do it as clean and as professional as possible, I guess. I've got my Aeromotive 340 pump here with the hot wire kit from Racetronics. Got the Summit battery box with I think it's a 4-gauge cable to give power up to the front. We'll run all that underneath the car along the frame rail, back up to the front corner, give ourselves some power. Gosh, I still have the braided line under there. You can see it kind of coiled up. I've still got to run the transmission cooler. I've got all the hardware now. I think I just have to complete it actually. But moving around a little better now, and we're going to get this stuff done. Yes, bud? I got to move the truck out that far to get the garage door far enough from the bumper. Anyways, I'm gonna grab a screwdriver, pull these 2 screws out, pull a couple of these, just trim screws off, and then we'll see about taking off the carpet and getting at the body. We'll cut a hatch. Wish me luck. Alright, so we're still running 12 minutes. That's that. It's 7 inches on the inside. It's 8-inch space, about 12 inches in length, and I'll start to I gotta remove these to make it easier to cut that hole. So you just push in the direction towards the center and twist a little bit, and she'll come out all the way. Now I have all this room, so I'm gonna get my angle grinder and maybe a blanket. Alright, so I have a moving blanket here. And what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to stuff it up into the frame of the hatch up there and then drape it in front of the rest of the cabin.
I guess we'll cut these lines. Disconnect this, turn this ring, pull out the pump. Hey! Alright, here's a look at the fuel pump access hatch. Just going from memory, looking at your the hoses that, or the lines that come out of your fuel pump. This is your pressure line. It's 3/8 or a -6. I was thinking about putting AN fittings on here. I think right now I'm just going to end up just doing rubber lines and hose clamps. I can always get back at it. This is your fuel return line. It's I think it's a 5/16 fuel return line, and then the evap line, which I could probably just cut and plug because there's no evap canister up front, and then the vent tube for the filler neck, I believe. So I'll see what I can do about cutting each one of these, and I'll go grab my cutting tool. We'll be right back. Alright, so I've got this little pipe cutter. Let's see if we can make any headway with it. Alright, so I got this on the second one. Yay! Oh my god. Alright, so that's all 4 of them. I think I have to jump underneath the car, and that plug is easiest gotten from underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna jump underneath and we'll see if we can unhook that quick. Alright, so underneath the car, and this is the plug for the fuel pump, if you can see it up there. So I'm gonna just see about dropping that. There. Remember back in the day, I had a problem with that plug. Alright, so we're undone. And I got a hot wire kit for it, so that's good. I'll go up top side. So now what you do is you end up banging out this lock ring counterclockwise, and the pump and all the wiring and everything should come out. Obviously it's nice and clean, but get her a little lubed. line's almost all the way around. There she is. You can see. That's it. All right. We got a free pump. It's a little bit of a tight fit, but tilt it over this way. Get it all out. Not bad at all. Awesome. Looks like the rubber O-ring's in good shape. Whew. All right, I should plug that with something. Be right back. All right, so I stuffed a towel in there. And I'll go over to this. So the pump sat in the car like this. Just interesting. Sat in a car like this. So I'll put the Aeromotive pump in. I may have to shut her down at this point, but I'm glad this is done. Continue in a little bit with more. There's a sock. Came out nice.